Dear friends, this video is topic 1 of basic skill of motor grader. Useful to construction professional and technicians working in construction and mining machines. Here we will discuss about A. Overview of motor grader. B. Components and systems of a motor grader. C. Benefits of motor grader. D. Safety considerations and best practices. We'll start presenting a new topic now. A. Overview of motor grader. A motor grader, also known simply as a grader, is a heavy construction machine used in various earthmoving and road construction projects. It is designed to create a flat and smooth surface on the ground by leveling, grading, and shaping the terrain. Motor graders are widely used in the construction industry for tasks such as road building, maintenance, land leveling, and creating drainage systems. Key components and features of a motor grader include 1. Blade. The blade is the primary working component of a motor grader. It is a large, flat, and adjustable steel plate mounted under the machine's frame. The blade can be raised, lowered, tilted, and rotated to cut, move, and spread material. Motor graders typically have one main blade and sometimes additional front-mounted blades for more precise grading. 2. Frame and axles. The frame of a motor grader provides structural support and houses the various components. The machine usually has multiple axles, often with articulated joints, which allow for improved maneuverability, especially in tight spaces. 3. Engine. Motor graders are equipped with powerful engines that provide the necessary energy to drive the machine and operate the blade. These engines are designed to deliver high torque at low speeds, which is essential for the heavy-duty tasks performed by the grader. 4. Cab. The operator's cab is equipped with controls and instrumentation that allow the operator to control the machine's movement, blade positioning, and other functions. The cab is designed to provide a comfortable and safe environment for the operator, often featuring air conditioning, ergonomic seats, and excellent visibility. 5. Tires or tracks. Motor graders can be equipped with either pneumatic tires or tracks, depending on the terrain and specific application. Tires are suitable for smoother surfaces and paved roads, while tracks offer better traction and stability on rough or soft terrain. 6. Hydraulic system. The hydraulic system powers the blade's movement, allowing it to be raised, lowered, and angled as needed. This system provides precise control over the grading process. 7. Ripper. Some motor graders have a rear-mounted ripper, a set of toothed shanks that can penetrate and break up compacted or rocky soil. The ripper is useful for preparing the ground before grading. 8. GPS and automation. Modern motor graders can be equipped with GPS technology and automated systems that assist the operator in achieving accurate and consistent grading results. These systems help optimize the grading process and ensure that the desired slope and elevation are achieved. Motor graders should be operated by skilled operators to achieve the desired grade and finish. Their versatile capabilities make them essential tools in various construction and road maintenance projects, contributing to the development of efficient and safe transportation networks. B. Components and systems of a motor grader. A motor grader consists of various components and systems that work together to perform grading, leveling, and earthmoving tasks. Here's an overview of the key components and systems of a motor grader. 1. Engine. The engine is the power source of the motor grader. It generates the energy needed to operate the machine and its various systems. The engine is typically a high-torque diesel engine that provides the necessary power for moving the grader and operating the blade. 2. Transmission. The transmission system transfers power from the engine to the wheels or tracks, allowing the motor grader to move forward, backward, and turn. It often includes multiple gears and can be manual, automatic, or a combination of both. 3. Frame and axles. The frame provides the structural framework for the motor grader. Axles are connected to the frame and support the wheels or tracks. Articulated motor graders have a joint between the front and rear frames, allowing the machine to articulate, bend, in the middle for improved maneuverability. 4. Operator's cab. The operator's cab is where the operator controls and operates the motor grader. It typically includes controls for steering, blade movement, engine speed, and other functions. The cab is designed to offer comfort, visibility, and safety to the operator. 5. Blade. The blade is the key working component of the motor grader. It is mounted under the machine's frame and can be raised, lowered, tilted, and rotated to perform grading and leveling tasks. The blade can be a single moldboard or a combination of front and rear blades. 6. Hydraulic system. The hydraulic system powers the movement of the blade and other attachments. It uses hydraulic fluid to generate force, allowing precise control over the blade's position and angle. 7. Circle and moldboard. The circle is the pivot point around which the blade rotates. The moldboard is the curved topic of the blade that comes into contact with the ground. The circle and moldboard assembly allow the blade to be angled and positioned for various cutting and shaping actions. 8. Ripper. Some motor graders are equipped with a rear-mounted ripper attachment. The ripper consists of multiple shanks with teeth that are used to break up compacted soil or rock before grading. 9. Tires or tracks. Motor graders can have either pneumatic tires or tracks. Tires provide smooth operation on paved surfaces, while tracks offer better traction on uneven or soft terrain. 10. GPS and automation. Modern motor graders can be equipped with GPS technology and automated systems that assist the operator in achieving precise grading results. These systems provide real-time data about the machine's position and grade, allowing for more accurate and efficient grading. 11. Cooling system. The cooling system regulates the temperature of the engine and other components to prevent overheating. It typically includes a radiator and a fan. 12. Electrical system. The electrical system powers various components, including lights, gauges, controls, and electronic features in the operator's cab. 13. Brakes. Brakes are important for controlling the motor grader's speed and stopping safely. 14. Steering system. The steering system allows the operator to control the direction of the motor grader. Articulated graders often have unique steering mechanisms that enable them to bend in the middle. 15. Exhaust system. The exhaust system removes waste gases produced by the engine and directs them away from the operator and the machine. These components and systems work in harmony to enable motor graders to efficiently perform grading, leveling, and earth-moving tasks on construction sites, road projects, and other similar applications. C. Benefits of motor grader. Motor graders offer a range of benefits that make them essential equipment in construction, road maintenance, and earth-moving projects. Here are some of the key benefits of using motor graders. 1. Precise grading and leveling. Motor graders are designed to provide precise control over grading and leveling operations. Their adjustable blades and hydraulic systems allow operators to achieve accurate slopes, elevations, and smooth surfaces, ensuring proper drainage, road safety, and overall project quality. 2. Efficient earth moving. Motor graders are efficient at moving and redistributing soil, gravel, and other materials. They can quickly cut, fill, and shape terrain, reducing the time and labor required for earth-moving tasks. 3. Improved surface finish. Motor graders can create smooth and even surfaces, making them ideal for creating well-maintained roads, runways, parking lots, and other paved areas. The finished surfaces enhance driving comfort and safety for vehicles and pedestrians. 4. Enhanced safety. Well-maintained roads and surfaces contribute to safer driving conditions by reducing potholes, ruts, and uneven surfaces that can lead to accidents. Proper grading and drainage also help prevent water accumulation, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. 5. Time and cost savings. Motor graders are efficient machines that can complete grading and leveling tasks relatively quickly compared to manual methods. This efficiency translates into time and labor savings, ultimately reducing project costs. 6. Versatility. Motor graders are versatile tools capable of handling a variety of tasks, including road construction, maintenance, land grading, and creating ditches and embankments. This versatility makes them valuable across different types of construction and infrastructure projects. 7. Erosion control. Proper grading helps control soil erosion by directing water away from critical areas and ensuring proper drainage. This is crucial for preventing erosion-related damage to roads, embankments, and structures. 8. Adaptability to various terrains. Motor graders can operate on a wide range of terrains, from soft soils to rocky surfaces. This adaptability makes them suitable for diverse environments and project conditions. 9. Operator comfort and safety. Modern motor graders are equipped with comfortable and well-designed operator cabs that provide good visibility and reduce operator fatigue. This contributes to better work quality and operator safety. 11. GPS and automation integration. Many motor graders can be equipped with GPS technology and automation systems that enhance accuracy and consistency in grading operations. These technologies improve efficiency and reduce the chances of human error. 12. Environmentally friendly. Efficient grading and leveling reduce the need for excessive excavation and fill, leading to less material waste and a smaller environmental footprint. 13. Site preparation. Motor graders are often used in site preparation for various construction projects, including building foundations, roads, and infrastructure. Their ability to create level surfaces and proper drainage systems is crucial for the success of subsequent construction phases. In summary, motor graders play a crucial role in achieving well-designed and properly maintained infrastructure, contributing to safer roads, efficient transportation networks, and overall project success in the construction and earthmoving industries. D. Safety considerations and best practices of motor grader. Operating a motor grader involves significant risks, both for the operator and for those working in the vicinity. Following safety considerations and best practices is essential to prevent accidents, injuries, and damage. Here are some important safety guidelines for operating a motor grader. 1. Operator training and qualification. Ensure that operators are properly trained and qualified to operate motor graders. They should be familiar with the machine's controls, functions, and safety features. Ongoing training and certification are recommended. 2. Pre-operation inspection. Before starting work, conduct a thorough pre-operation inspection of the motor grader. Check for any mechanical issues, hydraulic leaks, tire or track conditions, and other potential hazards. Address any problems before operating the machine. 3. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Operators and workers in the vicinity should wear appropriate PPE, including high-visibility clothing, hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, and steel-toed boots. 4. Safe operating practices. 4A. Always fasten your seatbelt before operating the motor grader. 4B. Keep hands, feet, and clothing away from moving topics, especially the blade, circle, and moldboard. 4C. Maintain a safe distance from the blade and other moving topics while adjusting or performing maintenance. 4D. Avoid sudden starts, stops, and jerky movements to prevent instability and rollovers. 4E. Use caution when operating on slopes or uneven terrain, and avoid sudden turns or maneuvers. 5. Visibility. Ensure clear visibility from the operator's cab. Keep windows and mirrors clean, and use appropriate lighting when working in low-light conditions. 4. Communication. Establish clear communication with workers on the ground, especially when moving the grader or operating the blade. Use hand signals, radios, or other communication devices to maintain coordination. 5. Pedestrian safety. Establish restricted zones around the motor grader where pedestrians are not allowed. Use barriers, signs, and designated walkways to keep pedestrians away from operating areas. 6. Trenching and excavation safety. When using the grader to create ditches or embankments, follow proper trenching and excavation safety guidelines to prevent collapses and protect workers. 7. Rollover protection.
If the motor grader is equipped with a rollover protection structure, ROPS, ensure it is in good condition and properly installed.
Operators should always stay within the protective structure while operating the machine. 8. Stability. Be aware of the machine's stability, especially on uneven terrain. Avoid operating on excessively steep slopes that could lead to tipping or rollovers. 9. Braking. Use proper braking techniques to control the speed and direction of the motor grader. Avoid excessive braking, especially when descending slopes. 10. Environmental considerations. Be mindful of environmental factors such as wet or icy conditions that can affect traction and stability. Adjust your operating practices accordingly. 11. Emergency procedures.
Know how to shut off the engine and emergency procedures in case of accidents, fires, or other emergencies. Have a fire extinguisher and first aid kit on board.
12. Maintenance and inspection. Regularly maintain and inspect the motor grader according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Address any mechanical issues promptly to ensure safe operation. 13. GPS and automation safety. If using GPS and automation systems, ensure they are properly calibrated and functioning correctly. Monitor their operation to prevent unintended movements.
Remember that safety is paramount, and taking the time to follow these safety considerations and best practices will help create a safer working environment for both operators and those working around the motor grader.
Friends, we have explained in brief about components and systems, benefits and safety considerations and best practices of motor grader.
We request all to mention your view and requirement in comments section of YouTube video. Also like and share to your friend. Also subscribe our YouTube channel Infomechanizer. This is 100% free.